Hi, this is the Cooking on Gas extension tool tutorial for the Discord monitoring portion. I'll be going through how to use each feature effectively. First, we will start with creating a task. Now, there are two ways to go about creating a task. The first one is going through the monitors page. First, we need to copy the URL of the channel that we would like to monitor. Then we open our monitors page and paste the URL in the URL input. It is not necessary, but we can assign our task a name to avoid confusion. For this one, we will name our task test. What the interval does is it lets us determine how often we want the extension to check for a new message. We can set the interval to whatever we want with a minimum of 1. The lower the number, the more often per second it will check for a new message. We recommend setting up an interval between 200 to 500 milliseconds. Anything less than that is unnecessarily fast and you will end up making your computer work harder for no reason. You can take the number 1000 and divide it by your initial interval number and see how many times per second it will check for a new message. Now comes the part for keywords. We will get into what title keywords are later in the video, but for now let's focus on these URL keywords. Both of these two inputs are exactly what they are labeled as. In each input you can put as many keywords as you like, as long as you separate them with commas. If we want the extension to open any links, we simply leave these blank. Now we press Add Monitor, and we have created a monitor. We go back to our channel and simply refresh. Once we see that the count is updating, we can see that the extension is monitoring this channel. Note that each time the count updates is each time it checks for a new message. We can test this monitor by pasting this URL in the channel and seeing that it opens it right away. To delete the task, we simply go back into the monitors page, press the delete button, go back and refresh. Now onto our next feature is the automatic giveaway enter. This extension will enter any giveaway it detects in a chat, and before it enters, it will pick a random delay between 2 to 9 seconds, so as to not look suspicious. We can test this by creating a task via our quick task method, which is the other method for creating monitors. We will name it giveaway 300, and that is all we need. Now we go back into our general chat and create a giveaway. Test. We see that it randomly selected a time and entered the giveaway. Our extension will also accept any Discord invite or gift that it detects. We can test the invite acceptor by pasting this invite URL in the giveaway channel. As we can see, it joins it right away. Now moving on to our title link openers. The extension will open any link it detects in a message like this. This is where we put our title keywords to use. If we only wanted the extension to open the size 12 link, we would set our title to include 12. We can also combine this with our URL keywords if we want only a certain size 12 link where the URL contains something custom, like a certain product, for example. The best part about our extension is the zero risk ban rate. Our extension is completely undetectable, and you can run as many monitors as you wish for as long as you want. Tune in to our next video where I will show you how to set up autofill and auto checkout with profile rotation that will fully automate the restock process for you using our Discord monitoring and auto checkout with autofill. Thanks for watching.